Hi and welcome to the course. Thank you very much for trusting me to be your instructor on this fascinating life journey. You know, in recent years, mindfulness has become a time-honored way of enhancing your inner well-being in life, your overall happiness, and also your general sense of fulfillment in virtually every area of your life. Now, historically, mindfulness has been proven to help people overcome their most complex emotional problems, such as depression, anxiety, stress, various addictions, and even self-loathing. Now, the practice of mindfulness was initially developed in India just over 2,500 years ago, and it was originally considered to be this crucial stage of life stroke self-discovery that people arrive at when on the journey towards personal enlightenment and growth. Now, historically, even the world's most established religions have even been in complete agreement in terms of mindfulness's overall effectiveness in helping both men and women to become completely grounded within themselves in the midst of a modern globalized culture that is constantly screaming out for our time, our attention, our focus, our efforts, and even our personal resources. Now, these ancient principles that I'm going to be sharing with you throughout this course of mindfulness have been adapted in recent years to address the common pressures of 21st century living. And this is primarily what this course is all about, to teach you absolutely everything that you need to know about becoming both a confident and a competent master practitioner of mindfulness. Now, in today's modern age, we find ourselves in the midst of this information era, where it's actually not hard in any way at all to source the earlier teachings of the original Buddhist monks, who initially conceptualized this fascinating approach towards experiencing life. And while these teachings are absolutely fascinating, the similarities that can be found between 21st century modern culture and the ancient monastic way of life are completely non-existent. So in order to help you manage your expectations of what it is that you can expect to find in this course, it's absolutely crucial that I let you know at this stage that I take a very pragmatic, an unconventional and a very common sense approach towards teaching mindfulness. Because it's one thing knowing what mindfulness is and how it can make us feel, however it's something else in its entirety, understanding how to apply it, which is fundamentally what I want to help you achieve. I want to help you to understand that the very essence of mindfulness practice is just simply repeatedly directing our attention in a non-assumptuous fashion towards just one thing at any one given moment in time. Because what we're really talking about here is the art of personal mastery. Because becoming an expert in mindfulness is the first step that we can take towards playing a far more influential role in maximizing our relationships, experiencing a far deeper sense of contentment in life, and also deepening the connection that we have with virtually everyone else that we know, whether on an intimate, a social, or even on a professional level. So, as you've chosen to join me in this Mindfulness Practitioner certification course, I'd just like to emphasize at this stage that if, as you begin working your way through the video lectures, there is any element of the course, of any lecture or lesson that doesn't make complete sense to you, then please message me directly with your questions. And the reason why I say this is because if there's an element of the course that doesn't make sense to you, then there's a pretty good chance that it won't be making sense to someone else also. And each month I'm going to do my best to take the best of the questions that I receive from you and answer them in video format, so that you, alongside everyone else who's taken this course, can benefit from a far more comprehensive learning experience. And likewise, if there's anything that you feel is missing from the course that you'd like me to build into it moving forward, then I'm always going to be open to hearing your suggestions about how I can make this course, or in fact any of my courses, more balanced, rounded, and also more insightful. So before we jump right in and get started in the course, just want to remind you that my name's Kane Ramsey. I'm going to be guiding you along this journey, and I'm not really one for wasting time with long-winded introductions. So how about we just get started right now on what I hope you're going to find to be an absolutely fascinating and eye-opening journey. I look forward to seeing you in the next clip.